Hello, this is Sammy, Network System Engineer, Head of Information System Department, Executive Director of an IT company, and sole auto entrepreneur, with a professional background for more than 17 years. So let me ask you a question. How many of you make a good living? Let me make it easy for you. I'm gonna ask you the question another way. How many of you have a small income? Here's the good news, it really doesn't matter whether you think you have a good revenue or not. Because it's a fact that you can train your brain to get the skills better, to learn faster, and to achieve mastery in anything you want in your life. Regardless of whether you are paying your bills, taking care of your wife, covering your children's needs, or looking after your parents, a good strategy would always keep you safe from odds and fears. Nowadays, internet has changed the world and offers huge opportunity to those who know how to grab it. If with Shopify, Facebook, YouTube, and Google you don't make money, then you never will. If you are already watching this tutorial, it means that you are motivated enough to change your life to the better. And if you have enough motivation to learn, let me tell you that at the end of the road, you will wake up one fine morning, looking at the mirror and saying to yourself, I confess, I'm proud of myself. I have worked hard, I've skipped entire nights, and it is time for life to work for me in its turn. The other good news, I'll show you with my qualification and expertise, the true formula for starting a real online business, and I will help you through my videos and my tips to go from underpaid to overpaid in a fun, easy manner. There will be a lot of input, the quality of information in this class is really high. You must be paying 100% attention. What I advise you, is not only write down what you see and what you hear, but get to work. You need to reflect what you learned, you have to take action, and go share what you learned to others. Keep in mind that learning without implementation remain illusory as long as nothing is done. So, let's promote learning by doing. Let's go.